Hey everyone, welcome. We are back with another one of our demo videos. Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video thinking it had the information you needed only to realize it's way too long? Maybe it's an hour-long lecture, a business discussion, or a news update, and you just don't have the time to sit through it all. Sound familiar? Well, what if you could get all the key insights from that video in seconds without watching the whole thing? In this demo, we will present a game changer app that extracts the most important details from any YouTube video instantly. But before that, let's just see what we'll cover in the video. We'll start with discussing the struggles and then we'll move towards the solution, which is our app. Then we'll discuss the key features of the app and who all can benefit from it before going to the demo. So let's start. Ever clicked on a YouTube video that looked super interesting only to realize it's way too long? You start skipping around hoping to catch the key moments, but it's a frustrating guessing game. And even worse, the most important insights are often buried in endless discussions and you might miss them entirely. But what if you could get all the key takeaways in just seconds without watching the full video? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's now a reality and this is what we are going to show in today's demo. So, as a solution to this struggle, we have come up with an app. All you need is the YouTube video ID of the video you are interested in and that's it. No more scrubbing through long videos, no more guessing where the important parts are, and definitely no more wasted time. Just enter the video ID and in seconds you'll get everything that matters, key insights, summaries and important topics without watching the entire video. By making use of this app, you can save time, learn faster and stay informed. It's that simple. Now let's check out the key features of the app. With this app, getting valuable insights from YouTube videos have never been easier. In just seconds, you can extract summaries, key highlights, and important topics with no more endless scrubbing or guesswork. You can say goodbye to long intros and unnecessary chatter instead of wasting time. You can jump straight to the key points that matter most. And the best part, you can choose how you want the information, whether it's a quick summary, key takeaways, or a detailed article style breakdown, or even Q&As from the content that you've just watched. Using it is incredibly simple. All you need is a YouTube video ID, just enter it, hit generate, and within seconds you'll have everything you need, no complicated steps, no waiting around. It works with any kind of video, be it news reports, educational lectures, expert interviews, deep dive discussions. Whatever you need, this app helps you extract valuable insights effortlessly. So this is your shortcut to smarter, faster and more efficient content consumption. Now let's take a look at who can use this app. Basically everyone. This app isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone who values their time. Busy professionals and executives can stay ahead in their industry by quickly extracting insights from expert talks, business discussions, and industry panels without spending hours watching videos. Students and researchers also need not sift through long lectures or complex educational videos. They can get the key points out of videos instantly and focus on what really matters for their studies or research. On the other hand, content creators and writers can get ideas for their blog posts, newsletters, and they can generate summaries and key takeaways in seconds to fuel their content creation. Also, casual viewers who are interested in a video but don't have the time to watch can understand the content at a glance without sitting through the whole thing. No matter who you are, this app puts valuable insights at your fingertips instantly. So, ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. So now let's see the app in action. We'll put this app to the test. But before we dive into the demo, Let's quickly go over how to find a YouTube video ID. It's super simple. Every YouTube video has a unique identifier called a video ID. It's a string of letters and numbers that appears in the URL of the video. And here's how you can find it. So what you need to do is open any YouTube video you want to extract content from. Okay, so here I have opened this particular video. Then you need to look at the URL in your browser's address bar. So this is the URL that we are talking about. Now in this URL, the portion which comes after the V and equal to sign, specifically this part of the URL, is the video ID. You just need to copy this and you have your video ID for this particular video. Now let's put this app to the test. To really see how well it works, I'll try it with two different videos, one short and one long. So the shorter video is this one, which is approximately 23 minutes long, and then we'll use another video here which is almost 1.5 hours long. Okay, so this would help us to test the speed of the app. So first I'll use a shorter video to see how quickly the app extracts insights and generates content. This will give us a sense of how fast and efficient it is for small content, which is approximately a 20 to 30 minutes video. Okay, so this is the app interface. Here in the first tab, we are going to generate the summary and the highlights, and we'll also identify the topics which can be gathered from the particular video. Okay, so let's start with the first video and see how it performs. So the first step is you need to enter the YouTube video ID that we just copied, and then you need to click generate and boom. So now you can see it's approximately going to take around 7 to 8 seconds, and we have gained insights from a 23-minute long video in approximately 8 seconds. See? And here it also gives an indication that the transcript of the YouTube video was automatically generated. That is, the transcript that was attached to the video was not manually created but generated automatically using AI. Then the topics that could be identified from this video have been listed here, along with the highlights that have been recovered from the video. And then there is a brief summary. Okay, now here in this section, again, we can tweak it however we want to get a more detailed summary, to get more better notes out of these. But this is just to show the use case. Okay, since we are just showing a demo here. Now, that was just summary and highlights. For example, let's say you want to create a blog or an article out of this particular video. Then let's see how that fares. Okay, so again, that was a 23-minute long video. Okay. And now we'll see the article that would be generated from the blog. So in less than a minute, you see, we have a full-blown article. And this is not just it. We can also generate social media posts out of this as well. Again, you just need to enter the YouTube video ID. You need to select for which social media platform you want to create the post for. Let's say I want to go with LinkedIn. Okay, so I'll just generate the post for it. It will give you a number of posts that you can share in there. And in approximately 20 seconds, you get a list of posts that can be generated. You get a list of posts that you can share on LinkedIn. Post 1, post 2. You see, approximately 6 posts can be created out of this particular video. You can generate the post for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. And the next option is to generate Q&A. So this part of the app is game changer for learners and educators. It automatically generates questions and answers from the video content. So we have the video ID, then we click the generate questions button and the process starts. You see that we have multiple types of questions that we are catering to, and it approximately took 6 seconds to generate 2 sets of questions for the purpose of this demo, for each type of question format as well, which is multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, and true and false questions. Now let's just see. Okay, the answer was not correct. Fine. Obviously because I've not gone through the video, but this is how it generally works out. You see? So this is again one of the use cases that can be very powerful for students and teachers and anyone who wants to engage with content in a deeper way, or basically even if not particularly students and teachers, then anybody who wants to test their comprehension of the video, they can just use this part of the app as well. So we just saw that from a 23-minute long video, we could generate summary and Q&A in approximately 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, like Q&A was generated in 6 seconds. The blog generator took a little more than 10 to 20 seconds, like it was under a minute. Okay, and the social media prompts again was within 20 seconds. So that's practically reducing a lot of time, like 23 minutes have been reduced to 20 seconds, right? Now let's see how this app fares with longer videos. Okay, so here we'll go and use a video which is over an hour long, and this is where the real power of the app would shine. So instead of spending an hour, if we can get information out of the video in a few seconds or in a matter of a minute, then it would be a win-win situation. So we'll see how the app instantly pulls out key topics and highlights from this video as well. So here I've copied the video ID. And now we just need to go to the app. So I'll just create a new instance. So just that we have a blank slate again. Okay. And so we'll first generate the summary and highlights for this video. The video is actually 1 hour and 38 minutes long, and it took approximately 11 to 12 seconds to generate the highlights and the summary of the video and the topics that could be identified. Okay, and then here the type of the transcript, that is, it was generated automatically. So now we have kept it here as an indication, just so that the user is aware that, you know, there could be some typos in there because it was generated automatically. So like whatever AI is able to infer from the audio, it's just converting that to the text when we are talking about the transcript of the video. So it becomes that reliable in terms of typos only. Okay, so the sole purpose of keeping this here is just so that the user would know that, okay, whether the transcript of the video was manually created by the person who uploaded the video or not. Okay, so it was a good result. 1 hour and 38 minutes reduced to 10 to 11 seconds. Pretty good, right? Then let's just try out the blog. Again, blogs do take a little longer because then we need to generate a lot of text. But see, under a minute, we are able to generate a very good blog, which is good to go. Now, this time, let's try it for Twitter. So let's see how long it takes. should be around 17 seconds. And it was pretty fast, like it was earlier than 17 seconds. So here we see that 3 posts have been created out of this particular lecture. Let's go with the Q&A. Again, currently in this code, we are only generating 2 sets of each type of questions, but it can be tweaked. We can create as many as we want. So it's approximately 8 seconds. It took 8 seconds to create the question and answers for us. Oh, the guess was right. Okay. So that's it. The app is fast, easy, and powerful. With just a YouTube video ID, you can extract key insights and generate content in various formats without watching the whole video. Now, this app is unlike anything else out there. This app saves your time like never before. You don't need to waste hours on long videos. The app is super easy to use, just a video ID and you are done. It's perfect for learning, research, and staying productive. This is next level video consumption for the people who are always on the go. Pretty cool, right? With just a YouTube video ID, you can save tons of time. But here is something to keep in mind. This app works only for the videos that have transcripts, either generated automatically by YouTube or manually added by the creator. And here is something even more exciting. Right now, the app gives you key insights instantly. But what if you could also get them in different languages? In our next update, we are planning to add a translation feature to the app as well. That means you will be able to extract key points from a video and translate them into multiple languages, making content even more accessible no matter where you are. This would be a huge step in bridging the language barrier across the world. So keep looking out for our next update. So are you ready to bring powerful AI-driven solutions like this to your business or project? At Codersarts, we specialize in building smart, efficient, and custom AI-powered applications just like this one. Whether you need content extraction, automation, NLP solutions, or any AI-driven tool, we've got you covered. Want something similar or have a unique idea in mind? Let our expert developers make it a reality. Reach out to Codersarts at www.codersarts.com, or you can reach out to us via our email ID, which is contact@codersarts.com. You can also find our LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook handles in the description box down below, and let's build something amazing together. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you.